बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज की वीडियो में हम 40 इम्पोर्टेंट जो जनरल नॉलेज के सवालात हैं वो पढ़ेंगे। तो पहला सवाल है, OGDCL सेकंड लार्जेस्ट गैस फील्ड इज़ लोकेटेड इन कादरपुर। सी ऑप्शन करेक्ट है इसका। दूसरा सवाल है, द कैपिटल ऑफ चचनिया इज़, इट्स आंसर इज़ बी ग्रोजनी। Question number 3 is, World Polio Day is 24 October. A option correct. Fourth question, length of Durand line is 2430 kilometers. Question number 5, Bhutto was the Prime Minister of Pakistan. So its answer is option D, ninth. Bhutto was the ninth Prime Minister of Pakistan. Question number 6, in which year Pakistan left Commonwealth? So its answer option B, 1972. Question number 7, laughing gas is nitrous oxide. Option B correct. Question number 8, the area between Ravi and Bias is called, option B is correct, Bari and Baridop. Question number 9, which planet is fastest from sun? So option number B is correct, Mercury. Question number 10, when did Pakistan left Santo? So its answer is option D, 1979 Pakistan left Santo. Question number 11, when did Hazrat Ali become caliph? Its answer is option C, 35 Hijri. Question number 12, by which amendment Article 52 be removed from Constitution? Its answer is option B, 8. Question number 13, which Sahabi went to Medina before Hijrah? Its correct answer option B, Hazrat Musab bin Umair. Number 14 question, Kargil war was fought in option C, 1999. Question number 15, synonym of deceive is wheedle. Next question 16, Red Sea located between Africa and Asia. Question number 17, number of Urdu alphabets are, option D is correct, 37. Which peak is not in Karakoram range? So its answer is B, Turchmir. Question number 19, precious gemstones emerald is found in, its correct answer is option A, Sawat. In which direction of Pakistan Russia lies? It's option C, northeast. 21 question number, which waterfall is between America and Canada? So its answer is option B, Niagara Fall. Niagara Fall is situated between America and Canada. Question number 22, number of natural satellites orbiting around Mars is, its correct answer option B, 2. Parsec is the unit of, option A, distance. Distance is correct answer. Question number 24, crude oil heated is furnace up to, option C is correct, 400 Celsius. 25th question, Paris Climate Conference held in 2015, option B is correct. Life of red blood cells is, option B, 120 days. 27th question, deficiency of vitamin D causes option B rickets. 28th question, Ethiopia faced severe famine in the period option B is correct 1983 to 1985. Question number 29, in composition of water in human brain is option C is correct 73%. Question number 30, Adak fort built by which emperor? Its answer is option B Akbar. Question number 31, Kurt Valedium rank is the Secretary General of UNO. Fourth. Option D is correct. Question number 32. International Court of Justice comprises of panel of how many judges? So its answer is option B 15. Legend of Karakoram, length of Karakoram highway, it's option A 1300 kilometers. 34th question, Amnesty International founded in option C 1961. So the next question is Shanghai 35 occupation cooperation established in 1966. Option D is correct. 36th question, how many subset does the power set of an empty set of have? Its answer option A 1. Question number 37, a mineral associated with vitamin E is option A is correct selenium. 38th question, how many countries in Asia? Correct option C 48 countries. 39th question, Indus River Authority IRSA constituted in option C 1992. So the 40th question, today's last question is lightning rod and bifocal spectacle were invented by? Its answer is option D Benjamin Franklin. सो इस वीडियो में इतना ही. मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. अल्लाह ताला आपका हामी नासर हो. अल्लाह हाफिज़.